Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to review the start plan that Cursor has. So this start plan is only released in India, if I'm not wrong, and I've been using it for a little while, and it is good, but with lots of caveats. So this has only three models for now: Cursor Grok 4.6, Composer 2.5, Grok 4.5. 4.5 was good, but 4.6 is a little better, but it uses more token. Cursor 2.5 is good. It's very fast, but it's not as smart as these both. But if you want something that's just very fast, you can use Composer 2.5. But in Grok 4.6 medium, it's very good. It is almost at the level of Soul Opus, any latest Soul Opus models, and I used everything. It's pretty much over, I think. Yeah. The cursor plan is the total usage is has run out, and I have used like 100 million tokens in the last 30 days that I've used this, which obviously Codex has like lots of resets, lots of everything. So I've used like 5.5 billion tokens in Codex compared to in the last 30 days compared to Cursor's 100 million. But the experience is good. I downloaded the IDE, but I'm mostly using in cursor.com because I can use it in the mobile app everywhere I go. I can just use it, and one thing that's good about Cursor is it just raises a PR for me, and it gives me like a real computer to connect and view everything, all the setup, everything that I can click on this desktop and view the changes that it makes. So for something like this, I have a desktop connected to it, and the dock site is running in it, and I can go and change anything, see if everything works, and I can take control and use it. So that's good. And in Git here, this just has a button to create PR, and if I create PR, it will have a button to merge PR, everything. So I can do all my work right here in cursor.com itself, which is also available in mobile. So that's like perfect for me. That's good. The only thing, the problem is the usage limit. So usage limits is very less. I can probably just um, deplete it in like 2 or 3 days if I use it like Codex, because Codex has like lots of usage limit. It's very they reset it uh, from time to time, and I have like for a month I spend like billions of tokens compared to Cursor's 100 million tokens. So yeah, the usage limit is low. Of course, I can go to the $20 plan, but I prefer Codex's $20 plan compared to Cursor's $20 plan. But this is a good effort. Um, all the tools in cursor.com is very good. I don't even need to use any IDE for this. But in Codex I have to use the desktop app or the CLI or something like that. But cursor.com in mobile is very good, so I just mostly use it for mobile whenever I want, which is perfect for me. And all the models good. 4.6 is unbeatable. It is, as I said, on the level of Opus or Sol, so that's very good. So I have no complaints with model. I have no complaints with usage, UX, UI. Everything's good. The only problem is the limits, which I don't know if they can improve or anything, but the limits are like a kind of deal breaker compared to Codex. I don't think compared to Codex anything else will break those limits. So yeah, it's a good model. It's a good user experience. Cursor is still the top of user experience for any coding agents, I believe, maybe except for AMP. But yes, it's a good model. It's good user experience. The UI is good, and I haven't encountered any bugs in anything that I made, and it all worked good. But I couldn't use it more because the usage got over. So I have like 10 more days for it to reset, but I don't know if I'm going to use it more other than something like OpenCode Go, which has DeepSeek Flash, which is maybe less intelligent, but it has like it seems unlimited compared to Cursor Store. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.